Hello everyone, this is Fatima Simfawala Akolawala from ISDT College of Optometry, Nasik. Today I will show you practically that if you have given a progressive lens and if a customer is coming back to you with some complaints, what kind of measurements you should do to sort out those complaints. So first I would like to tell you that my customer had come, I have this frame with me, and he was complaining that he could not see his distance properly. So I took his optical centers again, you can see it on the frame, the optical centers are marked. So I am going to do the remarking of the lens. I had checked his visual acuity with the glasses, both for distance and near. His vision was 6.6 and 6. Now the only problem is that he feels that the distance portion is not enough. When he switches from the distance portion to the intermediate, he feels that he cannot see clearly. So I am just going to recheck on my prescription. Now how do I do that is, first I have to remark my distance portion and my near portion, and then we will see that how we can sort out the measurements. His IPD also I checked. The IPD is also correct. With the ruler I had checked. I had recorded it for both the eyes. It was 66 millimeters for distance and 64 millimeters for near. I am getting the same PD again today also, which I had rechecked with him or her. Now this is the glasses. Now I will show you how do you do the remarking of the progressive lens. So this is my lens and this is my progressive chart. I have explained you the progressive chart in the progressive lenses module in the theory part. So here I have placed my optical center aligning with the optical center of the progressive chart, and I am marking my distance circle and my near circle for my lensometer. The same way I am going to do for the other lens also. I have marked my optical center here too. And I am marking my distance circle and my near circle. So here is the distance circle and this is the optical center. I have marked it. Before I will check on the lensometer also that whether his powers are right or no. But I feel that the only problem is that his distance portion is way too up for the frame. Now if I had adjustable nose pads, I would have adjusted the height of the frame and he could go back to the distance portion, which would be enough. But here the distance portion is very less, and the near portion is too much. So maybe the choice of the frame was wrong, or the lenses which were fitted in the frame were wrong. So there are two options. You can either change the lenses now, or change the frame. Now the better option being that you change the frame, because again when you fit the new lenses in the same frame, you're going to get the same problem. So you're going to tell the customer now that this frame is not applicable for this lenses, or you can change the design of the progressive lens. So basically you have three options. Either you change the frame, either you change the design of your lens, or either you change the lens with a new optical center. So the best option being change the frame if you don't want to change the lens, and if the customer doesn't want to change his frame, then you will have to change the design of your progressive lens. So these are the options, and this is the way you have to solve your problem with the customer. So these are the basic steps. First you have to always take the optical center, measure your PD again for distance and near, then do your remarking of your progressive lenses, and with the lenses you can take the vision. If he has any kind of visual problems where he can say that I cannot see better with the right eye or I cannot see good with the left eye, so you can record your vision also and do the lensometry after you remark your progressive lenses. So this is the way you do step by step problem solving in your progressive lens troubleshooting. Thank you. Good day.